Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making what is called in Germany Schweinebraten. Schweinebraten is if I translate it in English, it is roasted pig meat. That is what it is. So is a German recipe, a recipe I'm making today. First and foremost, I'm starting with my meat. Here I have my 1 kilo meat, as you can see. Then I have some sliced carrot and some sliced onions in it. So I'm going to be adding my spice and a little bit of water. Then I'm going to put it in the back oven for like 1 hour 30 minutes. We're going to leave it to cook in the back oven 1 hour 30 minutes. Then after which we'll come back. So guys, please stay tuned and cook with me. So let's start. So I'm going to start adding my spice, some salt to taste. Okay, then I have my clove oil, my garlic powder, a little bit of that. Then I'm going to add my thyme, my pepper, my paprika, okay. Then I'm going to add my, as you can see here is written stick ungry, is roasted meat. Is like a spice for roasted meat. So I'm going to be a little bit generous with that. Then I'm going to add my curry powder, a little bit of my curry powder. You know, the meat really have to be spiced so that when it is grilled, the taste comes out. So I'm going to add a little bit of water there. Okay guys, yeah, now I'm gonna go in the back oven. As you can see, my oven is set on 200 grad. It has been on for some time because I need it to be already heat up. So I'm going to leave that for 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. After which, guys, you come back, then you're going to see. Let me not talk too much, and just watch and see what I'm going to do with the carrot and the onions afterward. All right, guys, we'll be back. Okay, let's see how our pork is doing. Looking good. Looking good. And in between, before the 1 hour 30 minutes, I checked in between. The water was really dry, so I have to add a little bit more water because I need the juice. I need it. You guys will understand why I need the juice. Okay, at this point, we're gonna be taking the pork meat out from here. We need to slice it and bring it back to the pot. So okay, so we're gonna be slicing it. The way we slice it now is how we're gonna be serving it. Guys, look at that. As you can see, it's not really cooked completely, but not to worry, because we're still gonna make sauce out of the juice, and the carrot and the onions you see here. So we're going to be cooking it again. So it's looking nice, looking really nice. Our pork meat is all sliced, and we're going to be putting it back in the pot. Okay, my carrot and the onions, I'm transferring it to my mixer because I'm gonna be blending. I need it for my sauce. It's hot, so we'll be adding a little bit of water there to roast out the spice. Like that. Okay, we're gonna be mixing it. I need the carrot and the onions in little particles, so that's why I'm not using the normal mixer. I'm using this one because this will give me better what I want. Okay, this is exactly what I need. We're gonna be transferring it to back to my meat. So we're gonna transfer it back here. I'm gonna be adding a little bit water in the mixer to bring out okay guys, so I'm gonna close it to cook on a low heat to finish cooking. Then we'll come back to see where we need to add more water, more spicy. Oh, see. Okay, and on the other hand, we're gonna be eating it with some vegetables. As you can see, I have my vegetables here. I have some of my cooked vegetables here. So we're going to be eating it with vegetable and mashed potato. Yes guys, we are eating it with mashed potato. Here, mashed potato, you can do yourself, cook some potatoes, then you use your mixer, and yeah, but this one I already have the powder form of it. For me, this one is faster, so that is why I'm going to be using the powder form of it. So in my pot, since I'm making for 4, I'm going to be adding 2 liters of water. So I'm going to leave the water to boil. Add a little bit, pinch of salt, a little bit of salt in the water. I'm going to leave the water to boil. Then we'll be back. Okay, this is our sauce. I'm going to try to taste it to see if I need to add some spices. It's okay. I don't need to add any more spices. So guys, what I'm going to add now to my sauce is this. It is written sauce binder. Is like a thickener. It's like a brownie thickener. It's used most especially for pork meat. They also have one that is used for beef, but this one is for pork. So I want my sauce really, I want it a little bit thicker and more brown in color. So I'm going to be adding some of this. This you can buy from any supermarket. If you live here in Germany, you can get it from any supermarket. Lidl, Aldi, Netto, any supermarket you can get it. You just go where the spice are. You look for it, you get. So I add some amount of that. I will check and see if I still need to add a little bit more, because I need my sauce thick. Okay, I think that should do. As you can see, it's now a little bit thicker. So my sauce is looking really yummy. I'm gonna cover it to cook for like 3-4 minutes, then my sauce will be ready. And here in the other pot where I have my hot water, as you can see, my water is boiling. So I'm going to take it out from the heat, because I just needed the water to boil. So I'm taking it off from the heat. My water, I reduce 50 grams from the water, because I want to make 3 packs of that. So I need 1.5 liter of water, because every pack need a half a liter. So since I'm making 3 packs, I need 1.5 liter water. So you just put your 1.5 water liter in the fire and a little bit salt and leave it to cook. Then you take it out and start pouring in the potato powder. It is so I'm gonna pour in this. Let's turn a little first and see. So I'm gonna pour on the remaining. So I have my 3 pack of the powder potato, sorry, I'm speaking German. Potato kartoffel. Okay guys, so see, it's really easy to make. So you see, at this point I'm gonna be adding in my butter. At this point I'm gonna be adding in some of my milk. Yeah, I've been adding milk. The milk is always better to add little by little until you get what you want. So I'll add a little bit more. Our sauce is ready. I'm going to take it out from the heat. So take it out from the heat. As you can see, our sauce is ready. It's ready. Our sauce is looking yummy, delicious. See that, guys? See that? Oof. Okay, so it's ready to serve. I'm going to serve it. So guys, as you can see, the food is served. This is how the Germans eat this recipe, with some vegetables. You can see I have some peas, some carrots, some green beans. Yeah, you can see, use any vegetable of your choice. Then the mashed potato is served. So the table is served, and here our sauce. So guys, see, a plate is served. That is how it looks at the end. Really yummy, really delicious. Try it. This is how the pork, roasted pork, mashed potato, and some vegetables. So this is our recipe for today. So guys, if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please guys do, so that each time I upload a video you will be notified. Also press on the notification bell that you'll be notified each time I upload video. My YouTube channel is all about food for the foodies. I try lots of recipe from different continents, from China, Germany, African, you know, Italian. I try lots of recipe because I like trying new things. So if you like my today video, please leave me a comment at the comment section. I will be happy to hear from you guys. Okay, have a wonderful Saturday afternoon.